Can you solve this question? You can write out. Continuation to our topic previously. Sana,
Yes, sir.
you try, I'll explain. You know this kind of models you have seen?
Yes, sir.
Should I explain or will you solve? Will you give a try?
One minute, sir.
The motion of a particle along a straight line is described. One thing I want to hear, explain the concept here. I told you velocity is equal to what? Dx by dt. Acceleration is equal to dv by dt.
Very good.
If you want position, dx, the position you want, we have to integrate v dt. Okay. Dx is equal to v dt. Integrate on both sides. We want change in velocity. You have to integrate a dt. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And many times in differentiation, people will be fearful, students, many times, even in my during my preparation days. But majority, 99.99%, because I don't know, one question may be asked somewhere and here, based on some other concept maybe. The questions have been asked in differentiation from d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, right? You know this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But there is
Yes,
a
sir.
chain rule. You know chain rule? What is the chain rule?
Yes, sir.
What is the chain rule? Suppose if they ask you d by dx of t power n, what is it?
T power n.
Or d by dt of x power n. Directly, if it is t power n, we can take it as n into t power n minus 1. Directly, it is d by dx. We can directly take it as n into x power n minus 1. But here it is t there, here it is x there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
At that times, what we need to do in this kind of situations, you have to differentiate it first n into x power n minus 1 with respect to x. And again, we have to differentiate x with respect to t. You know this,
dx
right?
by dt.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dx by dt. This is chain rule. So apart from this is one important rule in differentiation. And sometimes for integration, it is integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, applying the limits from initial x initial to x prime. Got it? People will think differentiation and integration is different, but many times in the examination, finally, they've asked only on these formulas or chain rule. Okay, combination with chain rule. Apart from that, they did not go to much extent. Okay, do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you make a note out of these points again? Quickly? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
With this problem, I'll teach the concept as well. Okay. Shall I go ahead? Alice? You're
Yes.
writing?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Sana. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for here, x is given as 8 plus 12t minus t cube. So x is in meters, t is in second. The retardation of the particle means they're asking acceleration. Retardation, you will get whatever the acceleration you get, you have to put minus to it, you will get the retardation to it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The retardation is okay. Now dx by dt is how much? Differentiating 8, you get 0, plus differentiating 12t, constant
12 minus
differentiation is
3t
0.
square.
12 minus 3t.
12 minus 3t square. So he's telling the differentiation of again differentiation d2x by dt2. Acceleration is
Minus
equal to
Minus
0
60.
minus 60. So now, but the question asked is when its velocity becomes 0. When will velocity become 0? dx by dt becomes 0. That is 12 is equal to 3t square. 3 fours are t is equal to plus or minus 2. So substitution, if we do acceleration is equal to minus 6 into plus 2, that is minus 12, and 6 into minus 2, that is plus 12. So retardation means you only take the magnitude here. The retardation is 12 meter per second square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can you solve this one? In 2019, April 2019, shift evening shift, they've asked this question. Should I explain?
1 minute, sir.
The position of a particle as a function of time t is given. So position of a particle in time t is given. When the particle attains zero acceleration, then its velocity is. Zero acceleration is what? d2x by dt2 is equal to 0. Then at the time velocity you have to find out, that is dx by dt. Okay. So first you differentiate one time. What do you get with respect to t? You will get a plus 2bt minus 3ct square. This is velocity, that is dx by dt is equal to this one. Then you differentiate it again, that is dv by dt is equal to a differentiation is 0 plus 2b minus 6ct. So this should be equal to 0. Acceleration is 0. So that means 6ct is equal to 2b. T is equal to 3 z. That is how much? B by 3c, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you substitute b by 3c in velocity term, you will get the velocity. A plus 2b into b by 3c minus 3c into b square by 9c square. So you get it as C gets cancelled here. What do you get here? I'm writing here the solution here. A plus 2b square by 3c minus this 3 can go in 9 by 3 times, right? B square by 3c. The answer is A plus B square by 3c. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this the answer you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve this?
Yes, sir.
You understood what kind of types of questions they are asking?
Yes, sir.
If you're fearful, then it is different. But if you enjoy, many of the questions can be easily solved by you. You can try this question out. The velocity of a particle is v is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square. If its position at x is equal to 0, t equal to 0. See, this initial conditions are important, okay? In exam, if you don't consider, you will get a wrong answer.
Yes, sir.
Displacement after unit time is you find out the final position, then what do you do it? You will initial position is 0. Displacement you can easily find out. Example, v can be written as dx by dt, right? Is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square, right? But
Yes, sir.
whenever I told you xvt, sorry, xva, you differentiate x, you get velocity, you get differentiate velocity, you get acceleration. You integrate a, you get velocity. You integrate v, you get position, right?
Yes, sir.
So this you integrate v, you get v with the time, you get the position. So then dt I can send this side, right? So dx is equal to whatever velocity is there, v naught plus gt plus ft square dt. Integration on both sides. Are you understanding? Integrate vt,
Yes, sir.
then you get integral dx, that is final position, x initial to x final, 0 to t. Okay, initial time is 0 to general time, t equal to 1 second they have told, right? You can substitute 1 in the final value. What do you get? Dx integration is x, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means
Yes.
x final minus x initial is 0, right? This is quite important here. In examination, sometimes they might give you some x initial, because displacement is asked directly how to find out x final minus x initial only. So this is v naught t. After integration, it will become gt square by 2 ft cube by 3, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is 0 to 1. So if you substitute, it will become v naught plus g by 2 minus 0 plus f by 3 minus 0, isn't it? This
Yes,
is
sir.
x final minus x initial. That is nothing but displacement. Your answer should be v naught plus g by 2 plus f by 3. I hope this is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This you can solve. You can try. I'm pausing the recording. You can try. Here it is given as velocity is equal to alpha root x. So we need to find displacement. Displacement means we have to integrate, right? We can
Yes,
write
sir.
this as dx by dt is equal to alpha root x. Dx is equal to dx by root x is equal to alpha dt, because bring the x terms one side, bring the t terms other side. Okay. So this is integration on both sides from initial position 0 to final position is x. Initial time is 0 to final time is t, general time. If you integrate, it will become as x power minus 1 by 2, right? This one. So this will become x power plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. That is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Limits from 0 to x is equal to alpha t. So if this 2 goes this side, this will become 2 root x is equal to alpha t. So if I want x here, particle, the displacement of the particle is x minus 0. That means 4x, sorry, x is equal to alpha square t square by 4. But my initial position is 0. X minus 0 is equal to alpha square t square by 4, right? You got it? Alpha square by 4 is a constant. That means x minus 0 is displacement is proportional to t square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Question C. Good, good. Shall I go ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you solve this question?
Yes, sir.
The relation between time t and distance x is t is equal to x square plus bx, where a and b are constant. The acceleration is, the one thing acceleration is what? d2x by dt2, or or dv by dt. Okay. But here t is there, x is there, so I am differentiating on both sides. Somehow or other, I want to make d2x by dt2 as subject. Okay. Otherwise, it's difficult to make x only as subject here and get the answer, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what I will differentiate here with respect to time here. If I differentiate, what will I get? T is equal to x square plus bx. Differentiate with respect to time is 1 you will get, right? With respect to time I am differentiating. Here chain rule you observe. A into 2x, but 2x will not be remaining because with respect to time we are differentiating.
dx by dt.
Dx by dt plus b into x differentiation is 1, but we have to again differentiate it as.
dx by dt.
Got it?
Yes.
Now I think you have got some conclusion here. 2ax plus b into dx by dt, right?
Yes, sir.
That means this implies is equal to 1. Velocity is equal to 1 by 2ax plus b.
x plus b.
I hope this is one equation you got.
Yes, sir.
Directly you can differentiate this also you might get, but I am trying out another method here to make my life simple here instead of division differentiation. So can I differentiate this equation again once?
Yes, sir.
If I differentiate, what will become? One differentiation is 0, is a into 2x dx by dt. 2a also you can bring outside. There are two variables, UV rule, right? X dx by dt. X differentiation, you can keep x constant, and dx by dt differentiation, that is x into d2x by dt2 plus what dx by dt you can keep like that and differentiate x, right? That is again dx by dt into dx by dt. Do you get this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus b into dx by dt. If you differentiate double time, what will we get? d2x by dt2 or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now you carefully observe here. What did you get? 0 is equal to 2ax into the acceleration that you need, a dash I'm considering here, plus dx by dt into dx by dt is nothing but what? Is it v square or not?
Yes, sir. V square.
Plus b into, can I write this as acceleration a dash that you need to know, right? So now can I send this v square to the left side because I want acceleration as the subject? Are you able to get my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So v square minus v square is equal to acceleration. If I take common a dash, I get it as 2ax plus b or not? Carefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I write a dash is equal to, that acceleration I need is minus v square by 2ax plus b or not?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 by 2x plus b?
V
V, sir.
So can I write, I can eliminate
V.
it as I'm writing is this side.
minus V
A dash is equal to minus
V cube.
minus v cube,
V
right?
cube. Yes, sir.
Why? Where is my,
The constant is not coming, sir.
where did this something go wrong?
Uh,
Where? Very carefully you differentiate here. 2ax plus b, right, is equal to velocity. Velocity is equal to 1 by 2ax plus b. Then 2a into x into a dash plus v square. Array, this a is there na here, you see. This 2a into v square, right? This one.
yes, sir.
2a into v square. So this will become 2a into v square. That goes to the left side. It will become minus 2a
Minus
v
2.
square.
Yes, sir.
Now it will
So
become
option
as
C, sir.
minus 2a v cube. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The option is C.
Option
Got it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Good question. Chain rule also you have to use here. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve this last question here on this?
Yeah. Sir, 2 seconds.
Okay, so we go ahead. So dy by dt is acceleration is equal to minus 2.5 root v. Here is the time taken by the object to come to rest would be. To come to rest means velocity should become 0, right?
Yes, sir.
That means can I write this as, if they given as dv by dt is equal to minus 2.5 root v. So I have to find out the function for velocity
V.
here. So then if I get it as
Integrate.
dv by root v
Root V.
is equal to minus 2.5 dt. Integration on both sides. This will become as v power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that is 2v power 1 by 2, from initial is 6.25 meter per second to final velocity v, right? Initial speed is equal to minus 2.5 into dt is t from 0 to t time, okay? But t time we have to find out at rest. Rest means final velocity is how much? 0. You understood? 6.25 is the initial velocity and final velocity should be how much? 0,
0.
because the time taken by the object. Initial time is 0, final time is t. We have to find out t here. So if you multiply here, it has 2 into v power 1 by 2 is how much? 0 power 1 by 2 is 0 minus 2 into v power 1 by 2 is root 6.25 is equal to minus 2.5 into t. So now root 6.25 is how much? 2.5 minus minus cancel. So this is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 cancel. The t is equal to how much? 2 seconds. I think this is clear for you. Sana, you understood?
Yes, sir.
You make a note out of it. It will be useful for any number of times that you prepare regarding graphs. Okay. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Get, set, go. So if you see what kind of graphs that can be possible in this topic and what are the major graphs that examiner might be interested. xt is possible, vt is possible, at is possible, xv, av, xv, av, and ax. Okay, all,
Yes.
all the possible combinations. Is there any combinations as well with time? No. So these are the possible combination that graphs might be given to you. We know velocities dx by dt, right?
Yes, sir.
That means whenever you get this one dx by dt, that is delta x by delta t, that is change in x by change in time, what you need to understand is for xt graph, whatever is there at a particular point, dx by dt is nothing but what? If suppose yx graph is there, curve is there, the slope of this curve is what? At that particular point, tell me. And the slope is nothing but what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Delta y by delta
Can
x, right? So
Yes, sir.
if the limit is very small, if you go to that particular instant, what do we get it as?
dy by dx.
That means yx graph slope is nothing but dy by dx. In chemistry also they might be useful, maths also they might be useful, you might have solved also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, xt graph slope is nothing but dx by dt or not?
Yes, sir. dx by dt.
That means if you want dx by dt velocity, xt graph slope will give you
Velocity.
velocity. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But you know, dx is equal to what? V dt.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We know whenever your vt graph integral y dx means you know area under the graph yx or not. As a mathematics student, I don't need to explain anything.
Yes, sir.
Y dx is nothing but area under yx graph or not.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Like that, v integral v dt is nothing but area under vt graph or not.
Yes, sir.
From t
Yes, sir.
initial to t final. So vt graph
Yes, sir.
area will give you area under the curve will give you what? Displacement, right? Integral dx is x final minus x initial. That is nothing but displacement or not?
Yes, sir.
Change in position. Are you able to understand now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, hands down, let us go to a new experience of. I'll explain these graphs as well, but because you're
Yes, sir.
preparing for crash course, we will go to a beautiful place. So now, acceleration is equal to dv by dt, dv is equal to a dt, integration, at graph will give you what? Change in velocity. Got
Velocity.
it?
Yes, sir.
Change in velocity. No, don't do a mistake. In exam, they might give you some initial velocity, may not be zero. We will get v final minus v initial.
Yes, sir.
Is
Change in velocity.
AT graph area, not velocity curve. Are you able to understand, Sana?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have not studied these things?
No, I got it.
Okay. You studied previously these things? Jayant,
No, sir.
you understood now this one?
Yes, sir.
So if AT graph is there in front of you, the area under the curve from T initial to T final will give you a change in velocity. Is this the Tamilian slang? Just I'm trying.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. I will try in this class itself. So
Yes, sir.
now, similarly, there is a equation called force is equal to dp by dt, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So dp is equal to f dt.
Yes, sir.
That again you are getting area under the curve ft will give you change in momentum. Same concept everywhere. By using the similar concept, you can solve all these questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go ahead. Shall we?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, this velocity is equal to dx by dt. Dx is equal to v dt. You tell your friends to study this entire video again.
Okay, sir.
T initial to T final, x initial to x final. The area under the curve VTA will give you change in position, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But I am not getting the Tamilian slang. Actually, I speak very good Tamil slang. There are a lot
No.
of my friends who are Tamilians in my college. They used to
Okay,
enjoy
okay.
my slang, laugh at my slang, but I'm not able to get it again. So let me get 1 point. I will get.
Performance pressure.
So performance pressure maybe. So VT. So VT area will give you what? Change in position, that is displacement. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this left side term you will get by finding out the area. So did you make a note out of it? This is one graph. This is another graph. This is another graph. Got it? Which color you are fond of? Shall I go ahead? Did you take a screenshot out of it? Otherwise, made a notes out of it. Okay. You take a notes. The game is not over. It is yet to be explained. Okay. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Sana, shall I go ahead?
Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Okay. And okay, work done you might have studied is dw is equal to fdx.
Yes, sir.
Integration you have to do. Work done is equal to integral fdx. In chemistry also you might have studied. But I will tell you what is the difference between chemistry and physics and thermodynamics after I'm teaching. Okay. Many of
Yes,
you
sir.
will be confused also, right? In chemistry and physics, there will be
Yes, sir.
different answers to the
Yes,
exam.
system.
You know the difference?
Yes.
What is the difference?
No, sir.
You know, Sana?
No, sir.
In
There is
thermodynamics, you take a system, right?
yeah.
So in as a physics teacher, I will sit here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Karan sir will sit here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He will sit in the surroundings and observe. I will sit in the system and observe. That's why your answers will be different. Matlab, everything will be same, but science will be different. Not every sign
Yes,
will
sir.
be different. Huh?
Here, work done by the system is positive, but
Why?
it is
Because
negative.
now if the system expands, that means I'm applying force in this direction, and displacement is also going in the same direction. So here expansion, system expanding is a positive work done here, but whereas for 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 this currents are sitting outside, so it is his force is applying in this direction, and displacement is in opposite direction, so it will become negative. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Expansion is positive work done for physics sir, and expansion is system expansion is negative work done for current sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you give system q energy to the system, q is positive. If you take energy away from the system, q is negative. Sorry, q is negative because system is getting the energy, so I am getting the energy. I will take it as positive. System is giving out energy, so I am losing the energy. That is negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then if the temperature of the system is increasing, du is positive, my internal energy is increasing. If temperature of the system is decreasing, du is negative, that internal energy is decreasing. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll again explain it while explaining the topic. I hope this is once revised for you. So work done is equal to W integral of dx, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, area under the graph fx from x initial to x final will give you
Work done.
work done. Similarly, once weight integral f by a into a dx. A dx can I write this as f by a can I write this as pressure. A dx can I write this as dv. V initial to V final. You know this integral P dv? No, Sana, you might have forgot everything, right? You're very you are actually your mind is very fresh. I hope so. You remember this, Jant?
Yes, sir.
V initial to V final. So
Yes, sir.
PV graph area will give you again what? P under the PV graph area will give you what?
Work done, sir.
So like that, whatever this integration part will be there, two terms will be there. Area under the PV graph will give you left term, left side term, that is nothing but work done. So anything in physics, any formula which is involving this integration and differentiation. Differentiation is nothing but slope of the graph. That x
Yes, sir.
dx by dt means xt graph slope, dv by dt means vt graph slope, dA by dt means at graph slope. So that gives you slope, and anything integration of some VDT will give you VT graph area, ADT will give you AT graph area, FDT will give you FT graph area. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these are golden rules. Entire physics, everywhere you don't need to study again and again. If you study now, that's it. You can
Yes.
sleep at that time in the class. Okay? You can relax. Relax. Okay. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You took a screenshot of it. You have written for it. You're writing.
Writing, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Come back to it because it's a crash course I taught you. Otherwise, I would not have taught you, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now here also, VT graph area will give you displacement that I have shown you here. So now, VT graph is quite important. Why? Acceleration is what? dv by dt, right?
Yes, sir.
So dv by dt
Yes,
will
sir.
give you acceleration means, so VT graph slope will give you acceleration. Got it? Area will give you displacement, x final minus x initial. Slope will give you acceleration. That's why it's quite important. Got it? So dA by
Yes,
dt
sir.
will give you AT graph slope, but it does not have a quite a significance to it. Okay. Many times examiner,
Yes, sir.
that's why I ask you VT, because VT graph area will give you displacement, VT graph slope will give you acceleration. Here also, this graph is again dV by dx. Vx graph. If you take Vx graph, why it is important is acceleration is equal to what? V dV by dx, right? Right,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Vx graph slope will give you what? dV by dx, right? If you know a particular velocity at that point and find out the slope at that point, will you get the acceleration or not? If you know the velocity and slope, v dv by dx, will you get the acceleration or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
That's why v dv by dx is also important in this topic. Shall I go ahead now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Jayant, you understood this? This is another.
That only I can't understand, sir. Can you please repeat?
Repeat. Let me repeat. So acceleration is equal to v dv by dx, right?
Yes, sir.
If Vx graph is there, the velocity position, the graph slope will give you dv by dx or not?
Yes, sir.
If dv by dx is given to you, if you know at that particular point, we are finding out slope, right? That at particular point means you'll know the velocity as well or not?
Yes, sir.
So if v into dv by dx is done, you will get the acceleration or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or otherwise dv by dx you want, you get a divided by, a is known to you, velocity is asked, or velocity is known to you, a is asked. So you will be able to get dv by dx or not. Anyway,
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this is one relation, important relation, Vx graph.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us go to plot the graphs. And one thing you need to understand, whenever VT graph is given, acceleration is equal to dv by dt, dv is equal to, sorry, v is equal to, sorry, wait, dx by dt, dx is equal to v dt. So integration of VT graph will give you what? Displacement or not, position. So you need to observe velocity is a vector quantity or not, tell me. This VT graph
Yes,
is
sir.
quite important, make it a 5-star graph. The slope will give you acceleration, that we know, but area will give you change in position, that is displacement, we know. But sometimes the graph will be like this, for suppose example. So this is positive area and this will be negative area. You see, negative velocity and time integration. This will give you negative
Yes.
area. So for displacement, if they ask you Suppose if this has come to be 10 units, if this has come to be 5 units, so 10 minus 5 is actually the displacement. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Displacement, that is x final minus x initial. For suppose they ask you distance, that is nothing but 10 plus 5,
Yes, sir.
15 units. Example, if it isn't going in a straight line, so velocity is positive while going forward, that means the particle is going for a positive displacement. Here velocity is negative, right? That means the particle has turned backwards. So if it goes in
Yes.
the positive 10 meters, comes back in the 5 meters backwards, the displacement is how much? 5 meters only, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understood, Sana?
Yes, sir.
So this area is positive, this area is negative for displacement. But for distance, you have to add both of them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Did you make a note out of it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead? Okay. So now you tell me, quickly you tell me, shall we solve the problems, and with problems shall I explain other concepts as well, or shall I explain bit concept and then go to problems? What do you prefer?
Anything okay, sir.
Anything is okay. Sana?
Concept and problem.
Okay. So XT graph is there like this. Quickly how to do it. Okay. We'll solve some questions and we'll leave it by the end of it. XT graph is there. So what does it indicate? Tell me if it is like this. Just I'm quickly making it. XT graph. Then you have to give me information about it. Ari, shall I explain or will you tell? XT dx by dt is what? Straight line, right? It's a straight line. Slope is what here? A line parallel to x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Jayant? Where did you go, Jayant?
Does it indicate any uniform something?
नहीं अरे जयंत अरे position is not changing with time अरे जयंत
Oh,
Sir, hello, sir.
where did you go?
Sir, just a minute. Not disconnected.
Huh?
Can you hear me, sir, now?
Got disconnected.
Disconnect.
That should not happen. That should not
Yes, sir.
happen. Okay. Let's see. XT graph is there. This is a position is not changing with time, right?
Yes, sir.
That means velocity is zero.
Yes,
That
sir.
is one way. What is the slope of this line? This line is parallel to x-axis. What is the slope of this line? Zero, right? X-axis slope is zero, any line parallel to x-axis zero. So that means velocity is again zero, isn't it? And displacement is also zero because the position is not changing with time. Now, XT graph slope is what? It's a straight line, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So straight
Ex by
line,
dt.
so it's a positive slope. That means velocity is positive.
Hmm.
Here,
Yes.
tan theta, that slope will become tan theta. Velocity is equal to tan theta. Here the slope is negative, you can see. Okay. Tan theta
Yes,
is
sir.
negative here. The position, velocity is in the slope is negative. That means velocity is negative here. Got it? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Then, but quite important, xt,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
give it easy. Any part of this curve comes in your, what do you say about velocities and accelerations in both the cases? Shall I explain? You see
Sir,
here,
velocity.
here you see velocity slope, right?
Yeah.
You carefully see. This is the velocity, straight line slope. Next point, this is the velocity, right? Next point, this is the velocity, right? Are you able to get my point?
Ye-
Yes.
So,
Yes,
so
sir.
slope is decreasing, right, in all the lines.
Hmm.
You see again, this is negative slope. It will become zero slope again, zero velocity here. Negative slope, but negative slope is increasing here. Carefully, you see. That means you can say it as velocity is decreasing and negative direction velocity is increasing. That means these are positive velocities, these are negative velocities, isn't it right? No,
Yes, sir.
this is positive velocity theta 1, this is theta 2, this is
positive.
theta 3. Slopes are decreasing, but here slopes are
Yes.
increasing. Negative
Yes.
values are increasing, positive values are decreasing. Actually, the velocities is changing from positive to negative, and velocity, positive velocity is decreasing and negative velocity is increasing. There is actually acceleration is negative. Got it? This smiley
Yes,
symbol
sir.
is there, right?
Yes, sir.
This is negative. Acceleration is negative. This is laughing smiley symbol, right? Here you see velocity, you see slope of this. The negative slope is decreasing and positive slope will increase, keeping. Okay, isn't it? This is
Yes, sir.
acceleration is positive here. But very interesting part, you might make a note out of it. Oh, oh. Here, you see carefully, velocity magnitude is decreasing. Here, velocity magnitude is increasing, right? Slope is increasing, means magnitude is increasing. Direction is negative only, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But one point I'll tell you, this first part, it is retarding motion. The second part, it is accelerating motion. Shall I tell why? One thing
Yes,
you
sir.
know, this is acceleration is negative, this is acceleration is positive. Shall I tell why? You might think na acceleration is negative means it is retarding or not. You might think as a normal student or not. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we should not think like this. Why? Suppose a ball is there, thrown upwards. Now velocity is upwards, acceleration is downwards. The ball will slowly slow down or not?
Yes, sir.
It is retarding, can I say?
Yes, sir.
But you carefully see when the ball is turned downwards, velocity is downwards, acceleration is downwards, it will be accelerating right now.
Yes, sir.
That means velocity is negative, acceleration is negative, but it is accelerating. Carefully observe.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
the important condition is to say that a particle is accelerating and retarding is velocity positive, acceleration is also positive, both are in the same direction, that is accelerating. Velocity negative, acceleration is equal to negative, both are in the same direction means accelerating motion. Okay. Retarding, again, this points you ask your friends to study, whoever has missed this class. Velocity is negative, acceleration is positive, opposite signs. Velocity is positive, acceleration is negative, again opposite signs. So it is retarding. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is not what acceleration sign will decide accelerating or retarding. It is about both the signs together. Opposite, velocity and acceleration are opposite, then it is retarding. Velocity and acceleration are in the same direction, then it is accelerating. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You got it? Shall I go ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Did you make a note out of it?
Yes, sir.
Quickly make a note out of it. These are very golden points. Whatever I told, you can tell your friends or teach your friends once just to make yourself comfort.
Yes, sir.
Velocity time graph. Can you give information about it?
Sure. First one, acceleration is 0, sir.
0, that's good. Here acceleration is positive and accelerating
Yes, sir.
because velocity is positive, acceleration is also positive because it's accelerating. Here
Yes, sir.
velocity is positive, but acceleration is negative, right?
Yes, sir.
It is retarding. Got it?
Retarding. Yes, sir.
Decreasing speed. You can call it as decreasing speed. You can call it as increasing speed. Got it? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you observe VT graph here, you carefully observe what is happening here. Slope is increasing, right? Positive slope. It is accelerating motion only, but it is increasing acceleration. Increasing acceleration, increasing speed, both of them. Because
Yes, sir.
acceleration is also positive, velocity is also positive. That means increasing speed. VT, VT. This you can observe. What is this here? Slope is negative, right?
Yes, sir. Slope is
Slope is
negative.
negative, velocity is positive. That means what here? Acceleration is
Acceleration is
negative.
negative, velocity is positive.
So
So it is
acceleration is negative,
retarding.
velocity is positive. That means
Retarding. Decreasing
decreasing
speed.
speed. That's good. But it is increasing acceleration only. Slope is increasing. Carefully see. Increasing negative acceleration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute.
You're able to understand it or not? Analyze it or blindly
Yes, sir.
writing them?
Able to understand, sir.
You can revise them again once again.
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can tell me. I will go slowly with you. Now,
Yes, sir.
this graph you see, VT graph. You see acceleration.
Acceleration is positive, sir.
But decreasing, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But this is important here. Why? Because acceleration is positive only, but decreasing acceleration. It is not decreasing speed. It is still accelerating only because acceleration is positive. Velocity is also positive. That means increasing speed. Got it? See, you see, acceleration slope is what? Positive or not? Tell me.
Positive, sir.
But slope is decreasing. That means acceleration is decreasing, but it is accelerating only, increasing speed only because magnitude of acceleration is decreasing, but still it is accelerating. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because velocity is positive, acceleration is positive, that means increasing speed. Make a note out of these 3 points.
Yes, sir.
Did you make?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand all these points on your own, Jayant?
Yes, sir.
Did I go speed?
No, sir.
Sana?
No, sir, I got it.
It's all a game about slope, increasing slope, decreasing slope, and
Mhm.
okay. Now can you solve these questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions. Shall I go ahead? Can you solve these questions? Quickly in 10 minutes we'll complete out. Okay. Just try to solve this question. The velocity time graph of a car. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. What is the question asked here? The velocity time graph of a car and scooter are shown in the figure. The difference between the distance traveled by the car and the scooter. So distance is what? Area under the curve.
Yes, sir.
Both negative and positive areas will take. Here anyway negative area is not there. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Difference between distance. Then the time at which the car will catch up with the scooter R, right?
Yes, sir.
First thing, difference in the distance, you see. The time at which the car will catch up with the scooter R. Okay. What is this distance? Tell me here. Scooter velocity is 30, right?
Yes, sir.
30 into time area under this curve. So 30 into time is how much? Area of the rectangle. Base into height, length into breadth. 30 into 25. How much? 325 is 750 meters. Then can you find out the area of the car? Area of the car, tell me. This is one triangle, that is half into, base is 15 into, height is 45, right? Plus this rectangle, car, for car. You understood what I'm trying to do? Area of this triangle plus rectangle. Plus rectangle is 15, 25 minus 15 is 10, into height is 45. So now the answer will be 2, sorry. What is this here? 2 if I take LCM. So 15, 45 is there. 45, 2 is there. 90, 90 is 900 minus 45, 5 is there. 945 into 5. 5 was 20, 22. 900 minus 225. 900 minus 225 plus 20, 45 is there. That is 900. So 900 plus 900, 1800 minus 225. That is 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 1575 by 2. So that is
So
how,
37.5, sir.
huh?
37.5, the difference.
How 37.5? Okay, this is how much?
7,
Which one?
7, 1.
And the question asked is, sorry. The question asked is only 15 seconds, right? That means only we have to try the 15 seconds area. That is how much? 15 into 30. Got it? Only 15 seconds. Till 15 seconds, the difference in the distance. So 15 means only till here. For car, it is half into, sorry. For car, it is half into base is 15 into height is 45. That is the answer will be minus. Scooter is 15 into 30. How much? 450 minus. This is how much? 1545, sir. That is 900
670.
minus 20 minus 5, 45.
So this is 337.5.
Huh?
1 by 2 into 15 into 45. 337.5.
337.5. So you subtract both of them, 450. 450 minus 337.5. That is the difference. 450 is 350 is 100 and 112.5, right?
112.5.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Only 15 seconds it's asked. Area under
Yes,
the
sir.
curve I have done. So this
Okay,
A and B are eliminated. The time we have to check here.
Car will catch up with the scooter.
The time at which the car will catch up with the scooter R. Both of their distance should be same. So till here, what is the difference? You tell me. Till here,
Distance.
the difference is 112.5, right?
112.5.
Okay. But here you carefully check here. It's a rectangle, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will take it as 45 into. Now, which is higher now? Is it scooter higher or not? Till here, till 15. Till 15 seconds, it is scooter.
Yes, the
or not?
scooter is higher, sir.
So now scooter will be definitely lower. Car will be higher. So car distance extra, how much it should travel in some time t? It should travel a 112.5 distance greater than scooter or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I write this as scooter velocity 30 into some time t, calculating from 15 I'm calculating, okay? So 30 into time t
Right.
should be my, sorry,
Distance 112.
car should be
12.5.
having plus one, no, 30 into, sorry. So
One.
car should be having a plus 112.5 is equal to car distance right now. Car it is 45 into time t, got it? Car distance should be scooter distance plus 112.5 or not, tell me.
Yes, yes.
Because car should travel a distance of 112.5 greater than scooter to match it, to meet it. So can I consider it as 15t is equal to 112.5? So can you calculate 15, 112.5 by 15? That is how much?
7.5.
7.5.
7.5.
That means 15 seconds plus 7.5 is how much? 22.5 seconds, right?
22.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But we can easily answer it. Why? Because by 15 seconds, the distance is 112.5. They cannot meet at 15 seconds, right?
Yes, sir. So option C.
Option C will be the correct answer without solving also, but after solving also we can get it. Okay.
Okay,
The
sir.
concept here is VT graph area. Just have given lengthy question a bit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I got it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve this question now on your own?
Yes.
Quickly, last 5 minutes, you can solve. A particle starts from origin, okay, at time t equal to 0 and moves along the positive x-axis. The graph of velocity with respect to time is shown in the figure. What is the position of the particle at t equal to 5 seconds? Position is nothing but what? X final minus x initial. If you know, you will get the position displacement or not. Isn't it, Jayant?
Yes, sir.
VT
Yes, sir.
graph
Yes, sir.
will give you what? Displacement or not?
Yes, sir.
This is important graph I told you, whether you understand the entire concept of graphs or not. VT graph area will be quite important. Examiners have been fond of asking that question. So now
Yes,
at
sir.
5 seconds, what is the displacement? Tell me. Area for entire area, right? So you know area of the trapezium? You know the area of trapezium?
You have to be.
ठीक है. We'll go with the triangle plus rectangle one. Triangle is how much? Half into base is 2 into height is 2 plus this rectangle is how much? 2 into 2, right? Plus this rectangle is how much? Plus 1 into 3, right? Tell me.
It's a 9, sir.
So 2 cancel. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. You got it, Sana? Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That means x final minus x initial is equal to how much? 9.
9.
X initial is given as 0 right here.
Uh,
Sometimes they might not give 0. You will tick the answer as 9. You cannot.
Okay, sir.
X final is equal to 9 plus 0. That is 9 meters.
9. Yes.
Is it easy or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So a ball is thrown vertically up, taken as positive z axis from the ground. The correct momentum height diagram is.
Taken as Yes, sir.
Momentum height.
When it is thrown upwards, so mass into velocity, right? Momentum. So if you know the velocity
Yes, sir.
graph, you will get the momentum graph also is right. Mass is a scalar quantity, right?
Yes, sir.
So vertical upwards as z axis from the ground. Okay. This is taken as positive z axis. So now the correct momentum height. Oh, they're asking momentum height. It's okay. H is equal to what? U square by 2z or not? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
That is maximum height. Okay. How to write the equation of distance? So if it has traveled x distance, carefully I'll write here. The kinetic energy is equal to loss in potential energy or not? Tell me.
Sorry, sir.
Gain in kinetic energy is equal to loss in potential energy, and loss
Yes,
in
sir.
potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm just trying to form an equation between momentum and height. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So can I write it as initial momentum is maximum, that is at the bottommost point the momentum will be maximum, height will be 0,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm trying to write an equation here. Uh, but one thing you can draw by slope also. You tell me momentum height, right? With increasing height, what is momentum? Momentum is decreasing or increasing? You tell me.
Decreasing, sir.
Is it or not? Tell me. Sana, with increasing height, velocity is decreasing or not when you
Yes.
throw the ball? If
Decreasing. Decreasing.
velocity is positive only first till it goes to the topmost point, but it's with increasing height, its magnitude is decreasing or not?
Yes, sir.
It's positive only. That means momentum is positive, but it is decreasing or not?
Yes, sir.
How it is decreasing? Uh, is it decreasing in a constant rate or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How can you say it's constant rate? dp by dh?
Huh?
How to write the momentum equation constant rate? It's decreasing. So this can be eliminated, isn't it?
Stagnant.
Yes, sir.
Because this is given in the opposite direction, right? Right? This can also
Yes,
be
sir.
eliminated, right? Because you see oppositely it is momentum is decreasing, right? We have to take the curve either like this or like this. It cannot be like this, right? Increasing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
isn't it? 0 to maximum height I am going. Okay,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now can I eliminate this one and this one? You understood, Sana?
Yes, sir. I understood.
While going from 0 to h, from 0 to height h you are going, the momentum should be decreasing. Decreasing means it will be, curve will be like this. It cannot be like this, right? So this and this are eliminated. So I have to carefully check here. So I am slope, how it is there, constant or not, as of now I don't know. So what I will take, I'll try to write the equation only directly. I'll try to write the equation only here. So kinetic energy is equal to, suppose if you're going upwards, the loss of kinetic energy is equal to gain in potential energy, is not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Can I write it as kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial is equal to gain in potential energy is mgh minus mg into 0, right? Change in potential energy.
Yes, sir.
Can I write or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I write this as kinetic energy final is equal to kinetic energy initial plus mgh or not? Careful. So kinetic energy final can be written as, kinetic energy is equal to p square by 2m. You remember it?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir, I remember.
Jayant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember.
Can I write this as root 2mk final? Sorry. Kinetic energy can be substituted as p square by 2m, right?
Yes, sir.
So p final square by 2m is equal to p initial square by 2m plus mgh or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now can I send p final square is equal to p initial square plus mgh into 2m or not? This one 2m I have sent on to the right side. So you carefully check p final is equal to root over p initial square, which is again constant here, mgh or not? Tell me. So is momentum
MGH into 2m, no, sir.
2m, whatever, 2m, okay. H I'm observing here carefully. Remaining things I'm not bothering here. Initially, it is a value, H is equal to 0, you keep. It is P initial, P final is equal to P initial. That means, so it's a maximum value here. But it is decreasing in the terms of root, right?
Yes,
P
sir.
is proportional to root H, right? Do you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So P square proportional to H, right?
H.
Yes, sir.
P square proportional to H means what? Y square
Option B.
proportional to X. Which graph is possible? Y
Yes,
square
sir.
proportional to X.
Option B. B, sir.
Huh?
Second one.
Why it is y square proportional to H will be this one, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Y is equal to y square is equal to 4ax.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Parabola,
Yes, sir. Option 1.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So P square is equal to P square proportional to X. If I have to write which one, it will be option 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
But while coming down, you see the momentum will be negative only, but it will be increasing in magnitude. While coming down, you see
Yes, sir.
momentum will be negative direction, but it will be increasing in the magnitude. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a bit lengthy, but it's okay. Sometimes you have to solve the tough questions as well. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to get how I am solving the graphs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. This one, can you solve easily? Or shall we take a break? You can solve it for homework. You can just take a screenshot, take it
Yes,
as
sir.
homework.
Yes, sir.
This graph is a bit lengthy, but you can. Did you understand now, Jayant?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
So now you can solve this question or this question again on your own once at home.
Can you?
This one or this one?
Yes, one. 30.
No, okay.
Yes, sir.
Sana, you revise all the points which I taught you and you can teach your friends as well.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice
Thank you, sir.
weekend.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
We'll meet again.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye. Aditi ma'am will take over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
She'll discuss with Walter.
No, there's nothing to announce. Just that, did you guys attempt the test?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I did.
Ma'am, I didn't attempt it.
You didn't attempt yet. Which one? Did you attempt at least one? Okay. Power.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sana, how many did you do?
Huh?
How many papers did you do? Did you do physics and maths both?
No, I did only math. There was
Okay.
physics also. I didn't see physics.
Yes, there is physics also.
I didn't see
There is
physics.
chemistry also.
Oh,
Okay, fine. And next session will be at?
8:30.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.